Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the camera app. And now make sure that you're on a video mode. Let's tap on it. Then you can choose the settings, they should be in the left upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got the video quality. So let's tap here. And here we've got 4 options to choose from. We've got FHD right now. In order to set another quality, for example HD, simply tap on it and mark it. And as you can see, it immediately changes, and from now on you will record the videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.